Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can draw in Roblox. So you're just going to search for a game that you can draw in. I like the game, where is it? You can do Happy Draw. I like Draw and Switch, but you'll need two people to do that. I actually like Speed Draw a lot because, I don't know, it's just faster. Let's do 5 minutes, and let's start drawing. Okay, so they're still voting. Okay, so the intermission is around 20 seconds. Oh my god, I just saw this. Can you skate here? Oh my gosh, so cute. Okay, so while we wait, we're just gonna skate. That rhymes. So we get themes to draw in speed draw actually, which sometimes farm. I'm just gonna draw like a cow, maybe. Okay, we're done with the drawing, and oh, this is cute. I'm gonna give it a 4. Sorry, I'm not gonna give you a 5 because it's crooked, but this is so cute, actually. I was about to draw a cow, but anyways, that is oh my gosh, this is adorable. I'm not getting 5, like I'm not gonna win, but that's okay. That is it. This is how you can draw on Roblox. Just pick up any game that has the word draw in it. I like this game personally, but that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.